Hello guys, so welcome to my channel RSQ Training, and today I'm going to discuss with you an issue in Excel which most of the Excel users face when making pivot tables. So quite a few would know how to overcome the solution. However, many would not know. So I would like to show you the problem and the solution. I hope you will like my video. If you do, click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so moving on to the problem and the solution. So as on the screen, you can see I have a sample data before me where I have two managers and few analysts reporting to them and their sales in figures. So I just create a pivot table. I place this pivot table in this worksheet itself, so it's easier for me to navigate. So I will put the manager here, then I have the analysts here, and their total sales. Let me do it in tabular format so that it's easier to understand. Okay, there you go. All right. So now if you see my pivot table, I have two managers, James and Sachin, and a few analysts reporting to them and their sales. However, for some reason, maybe I want to look up some value of sales. So you can see Steve is reporting to James, and there is another Steve reporting to Sachin as well. So I would require some unique value. So I want the manager's name over before Steve as well. So I will just right click, go to field settings, go to layout and print. Then I can click repeat item labels. So with this, I will get like this. James Steve, Sachin Steve. So if I want to look up, I can just create a lookup key or do whatever reasons and I can get the exact value. So that's it guys. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, click on the thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this with anyone you think this can help with. Thank you so much.